Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Beetle, stock reference number 4505. This shape runs from the first month 2013 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a CTHD 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine, backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. CTHD 1.4 litre turbo supercharged petrol engine. We have the left hand headlight, halogen-type, left hand fog light, left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type, right tail light in good condition, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear guard appears to have no damage. Right door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Heater controls. Single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.